Welcome to the ProtoUtility tutorial series. In this video, we'll learn how to add a new tenant in ProtoUtility. First, log in using your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. From the menu, navigate to Tenant Management and click New Tenant to open the tenant registration form.
Now, enter the tenant details, including the tenant name, username, password, and confirm password. Next, select the appropriate role, either tenant or admin. Continue by entering the address, email address, and contact number. Then, select the billing start date and specify the billing day of the month according to your billing requirements. If you would like the tenant to receive daily utility consumption updates, simply enable the daily usage email option. Once all the details have been entered, review the information and click Generate Profile to create the tenant. After the tenant profile has been created, you can click the View icon to review the tenant details. Use the Edit option to update the information whenever required, or select Delete if the tenant is no longer needed. That's how you can quickly add and manage tenants in ProtoUtility. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more ProtoUtility tutorials. If you need any assistance, please contact the ProtoConvert team.